In today's video, we want to continue the first episode about inserting charts. So we have this table and this chart, and today we want to arrange them in a document so everything look nice, and also we want to format the chart. So let's see very quick how we can format this document in order to look better on one page. Let's change the padding, so let's select everything, format cells, and let's increase the padding. Oh, it's too much. Let's reduce. Now we can fit here the chart. Let's increase columns. Now let's preview again. I don't like here the footer and the header, so let's see much more. So let's reduce the margin, let's disable the footer, the header, and now let's see, let's increase here the margin, and we have too much space on the right, so let's increase. Now it's much better. So this is our report, and we want in today's episode to see how we can improve this chart. So let's begin with this title. So let's format the title. We double click inside. We don't want an area. Let's bold it. Let's increase it. We have a preview here. Let's change the color to be blue. And we want to keep everything the same. Let's see. Now let's double click. We don't want this monthly because we have it, of course it's monthly, we have all the months. Let's change this position for this text to be centered. Okay, now we can change all the settings like before for the title. So right click, format title, and let's choose blue. Let's increase a little bit and let's have bold. Now let's do the same with these numbers here. Let's increase. Let's keep it. We want the color, so let's go back. So font effects and blue. Okay. Now what I don't like are this area, so I don't want these walls here. Let's format the walls. I don't want a border, and I don't want a white area, so we can choose a color. Okay, or a gradient, image, pattern, hatch, and so on. Let's choose this one. Okay, and we need to change the transparency. It's too strong for a background. Let's change to 90. Let's click again. I want to change. Click on this wall, and here let's change to 95. Now I want another value. Let's have 92. Okay, now let's change these data series here. Let's see what options do we have. The area, but first let's uncheck 3D look. I don't want a 3D effect. Now let's see. Let's change again. We have here a space between two columns, so we can change that to 15. Okay, so now let's go to change the area color. Let's choose this one. Let's change the angle. I don't like it. Let's change. Let's see. Let's change the color to be something from blue. a dark blue, and let's change to quadratic. I don't like it. Let's change to black. Okay, it's much better. I like it. Now let's click on this month, and here for x-axis let's choose blue color. Let's have a bold, and let's reduce now. Let's keep it the font size, and I want no line. Okay, so that line, and okay, it's much better. Let's remove this gray line on the left, so let's click again on axis, on A axis. So I have no gray line here. We can change here the text orientation, so you can see from 0 we can increase until we have all the values and everything looks fine. So we have 45% a degree. Now let's change the background. I don't like this one. Let's have another one. Let's choose this one, but we have to decrease the transparency. Okay, now it's much better. Let's preview. Okay, we have the table, we have the chart, looks fine. What you can do, you can change the color, not to have only blue, but to have maybe two colors, complementary colors. But it's your decision here. Now let's see what else we can do. Let's insert a trend line. So let's choose logarithmic and orange line. Let's increase the width and let's increase the transparency. So we can see from this line the trend is decreasing the sales in 2021. It's very clear here, and we have a nice chart. We can preview again. We have everything like a report. So in the next episode we will talk about other things we can change in a chart. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for all the videos. Thank you.